Salutations, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Quick Book Review, your one-stop shop for book summaries. In this video we summarize the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a classic book on value investing that has been widely influential in the world of finance. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective when investing in stocks. Graham argues that the vast majority of investors are overly focused on short-term fluctuations in the market, and that this can lead them to make impulsive and ultimately costly decisions. To counter this tendency, Graham advises investors to take a more disciplined and patient approach to investing. He advocates for conducting thorough research and analysis on potential investments, and for being willing to hold on to stocks for the long term, even through periods of market volatility. Graham also stresses the importance of diversification as a means of mitigating risk, and of being mindful of the inherent uncertainties and risks of the stock market. Another key theme of The Intelligent Investor is the importance of taking an objective and analytical approach to evaluating stocks. Graham argues that investors should strive to be as objective as possible when analyzing stocks, rather than allowing their emotions or biases to cloud their judgment. He also stresses the importance of developing a systematic and disciplined approach to investing, rather than relying on luck or hunches. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a must-read for anyone interested in investing in stocks. Its practical advice and long-term perspective make it a valuable resource for both novice and experienced investors. One of the key strengths of The Intelligent Investor is its focus on long-term value creation. Graham emphasizes that the ultimate goal of investing is to build wealth over the long term, and that this requires a focus on purchasing stocks that are undervalued and have the potential to grow in value over time. This approach is in contrast to more speculative forms of investing, which focus on buying and selling stocks based on short-term price movements. Another key concept that Graham introduces in the book is the idea of Mr. Market. This metaphor represents the stock market as a whole, and is meant to illustrate the volatility and irrationality that can often be present in the market. Graham suggests that investors should view Mr. Market as an unreliable and somewhat erratic partner, and should be prepared to take advantage of the market's fluctuations to buy and sell stocks at advantageous prices. Additionally, The Intelligent Investor contains a wealth of practical advice for investors on how to conduct research and analysis on potential investments. Graham provides guidance on how to evaluate the financial health of a company, and on how to determine whether its stock is overvalued or undervalued. He also provides insights into the role of dividends in the investment process, and on how to use stock splits and mergers to one's advantage. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a comprehensive and thought-provoking guide to value investing. Its insights and practical advice make it a valuable resource for anyone looking to build wealth over the long term through the stock market. The Intelligent Investor, written by Benjamin Graham and first published in 1949, is considered a classic text on value investing. Graham's main thesis is that the key to successful investing is to focus on the intrinsic value of a company rather than its stock price. He argues that investors should carefully analyze a company's financial statements and business model in order to determine its true worth, rather than relying on market speculation or hype. One of the book's key ideas is the concept of Mr. Market, a metaphor for the stock market as a whole. Graham suggests that Mr. Market is often irrational and emotional, and that investors should not let his mood swings influence their decision-making. Instead, they should stick to a disciplined, long-term approach and only buy or sell when the price is favorable compared to the company's intrinsic value. Other important topics covered in The Intelligent Investor include the importance of diversification, the dangers of overconfidence and bias, and the importance of maintaining a margin of safety in investing. Graham also emphasizes the importance of having a clear investment philosophy and sticking to it, even when markets are volatile or uncertain. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a must-read for any serious investor. Its clear, practical advice and long-term perspective have stood the test of time, making it a timeless classic in the world of finance. In conclusion, The Intelligent Investor is a classic text on value investing that has stood the test of time. Its main thesis, that investors should focus on a company's intrinsic value rather than its stock price, is as relevant today as it was when the book was first published. The book's clear, practical advice on diversification, bias, and maintaining a margin of safety are essential reading for any serious investor. Whether you are new to investing or have been in the market for years, The Intelligent Investor is a valuable resource that will help you make informed, disciplined investment decisions. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have a lot of exciting summaries coming up and we don't want you to miss out. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed the video. We look forward to seeing you in our next summary.